Hey everybody. So this morning I woke up and I was going to create a symbol with Sumi ink. Yesterday was the last day of that session. But you know what? I went ahead and realized that the circle shape really showed up a lot for me, and it looks like a planet or a moon. And I just really like how the circle shape showed up in my symbols in Sumi ink. So I went ahead and continued on with that this morning. But next up, so I've just been putting up the next class for the 21 day sessions. And the next class is 21 days of shadow. And I get really excited too because I'm out and the weather is shifting and changing here in the northern western hemisphere, and the shadows are getting longer and the wind is getting a little spookier and the veil is lifting. So it's kind of a fun time to work and play with shadow. Now I know, like a day like today, the shadows come and go with the sun. So I'm hoping that as October moves through, I'll have some sunny days to take some photos outside with of my shadow. But also, if the photos outside don't work, if there is no sun to support taking a photo of a shadow, I just come inside and find a light source inside and take a picture of a shadow. So that's what's next. And I get pretty excited about shadow because, first of all, it's really fun to play with your own shadow, and then use your hands, your feet, your head, and then take shadow photos of other objects, putting them in the light and seeing what shows up. So this is a really fun one to play on a daily basis. So you could just take a photo of a shadow every day, or I have some prompts in this class where you can layer the shadows with different elements that are outside, different objects that you find, layer the shadows with objects, put words on it. So it makes some really sort of beautiful, I don't know, again, like with the Sumi ink, it makes some beautiful sort of dreamy imagery. And then we talk a little bit. I ask for you to have a journal nearby so that you can write down your thoughts and ideas as you're taking a photo of your shadow. And you can see right now, here comes the sun. Let me see. Can I make a shadow here? There. Oh, sort of. Ah, there's a shadow. This is kind of a clunky one. My cat's coming up to play. There he is. What do you think? So 21 Days of Shadow begins October 1. If you want to come on over to my Patreon page and sign up, I would love to have you participate and connect in as we go around the circle and connect in with daily creating.